Hey, Erwan, you look so busy.
Yes, I have many jobs.
I am really disappointed. If you have a time, I will invite you to join me to go to the beautiful place.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Oh, it's okay.
Anyway, where do you want to go?
I want to go to Bali.
If I had refused this job, I would have followed you.
Oh, don't be regret. God always have a plan for you.
Yeah, you're right. By the way, where do you live?
I live in South Jakarta. And how about you?
I live in Central Jakarta.
Do you have a village?
No, I don't have. But if I must to be choose, I would choose Raja Ampat.
Raja Ampat isn't in Papua, right?
Yeah, you're right. Raja Ampat is the most beautiful place in the world.
Yeah, I think so.
Uh, where is your village?
Oh, my village is in Bali.
Oh, it's a nice place.
Oh, you're right, brother. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes.
Oh iya berisik. Belum juga gua stop.